Hi, so I'm going to show you how just some basic components of the Google Drive app. So Google Drive is the same as Colab, so just keep that in mind. Is if we ever talk about Colab, that's Google Drive. If we ever talk about Google Drive, that's Colab. So you're going to start by tapping on the Drive app to um, start it, and then when you notice, you see My Drive up there at the top, and you see some lines. So I'm going to talk about what each of these means. So I'm going to start on the right-hand side. So on the right-hand side, you'll see these dots with little lines. Right now, the way we're seeing it is in icon mode, so you see everything in an icon. If I tap on those lines, then what you'll notice is now it's a list. And then if I want to go back to icons, I just tap on the icons, and it will go back to those icons. So folder icons and then icons of your different things. So another thing is the plus. So what the plus does, it allows you to start a new document that will automatically be saved in My Drive. Start a new spreadsheet, again, that would be saved. You can create new folders by tapping on the new folders. You can also upload photos or videos, and you can also use the camera. So just to give you some points of reference, if I tap on new document, what's actually going to happen, and it just happened, is that it's going to take me to the Drive app, so then I could title my document. So I'm just going to title it Screencast, just because I'm making this in a screencast. So what it'll do is it'll start it, and then I can go ahead and type in it like a Google Doc. So the other thing that you can do, the same thing would happen with a spreadsheet, but then you would go into the Sheets app, and again, it would ask you to title it, and then you could title it, and then you could go ahead and start that. So back in the Drive app, so I've just moved back from the Sheets one to the Drive app. I'm going to talk about a couple other pieces. So if I wanted to upload pictures or videos from my camera roll, I just go there, and then I could upload a pic collage, tap on it, something like that, and then hit the check mark, and then it'll upload. So you notice at the bottom it says one item uploading. And so then that uploads it, and now it says all uploads complete. So you can upload any images or videos that are on your camera roll or in your Photos app. Another thing you can do is you can use the camera to take a picture, and then after you've taken the picture, it just automatically uploads to right into your Google Drive or your Colab account. So another feature in here is you see the sort button on the right. So you can sort it by title, you can sort it by last edited, last modified, last opened. So if I did last modified, then that changes everything to the way when it was last modified. Last opened, it would change that as well. So just some things to think about. Then you have these lines over here, and that gives you some different options. So incoming is the same as shared. So if you wanted to see any of your shared pieces, you would go to incoming. The next one is recent. So if you wanted to go to recent documents, just like in Colab, that would go to your recent. Starred is anything that you've starred. On device would be anything that you actually save onto the device. So if you're going to do offline work and wanted to save it on device, that's where you do that. And then if you wanted to do uploads, you could do it from here too, just like you did with the plus. This is also a place that if you see the gear up there on the left side, that's where you can make adjustments to different things. So those are some things to think about as well. So anytime that you see an I next to like a folder or a document, you can just tap on the I, and that gives you different details. So that's where you can share with people. So you could go ahead and tap share and share. You could remove it. So if you wanted to get rid of it, you could also move it to a folder. So it gives you that option. You can also star it if it's something you want to be able to find very easily. Rename it here. You can open it in something else. So depending on what you have on your device, you can open it. So here I could open that document in iBooks, Notability, Creative Book Builder, so different things that you have. Here's if you wanted to send the link to someone. Now you notice at the bottom it says copied to clipboard. So this gives you lots of options of what you can do. So that is how different aspects of Google Drive. Thanks.